A Hartford business is in the middle of a major cleanup after the cold weather caused the pipes to burst in the front of their shop. Look at all the water pouring into this business. You can see right here.
You can actually see furniture floating around there. NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis is joining us now live from Pratt Street in Hartford. Kevin, we know the owners are knee-deep in cleanup right now, but what did they tell you?
Hey, Mike, Keisha, good evening to you both. A lot of cleanup, but they've made some pretty significant progress. The floor itself is dry, and you can see where that leak actually happened up in the roof here, right in the front window, right along Pratt Street. A ton of water just came pouring down. Of course, they still have quite the cleanup ahead.
It was like a loud thump. So as I walk over, it starts coming down more. You seen the video, I walk over to check, and it's just like...
A Friday night nightmare for a small business in Hartford.
Everything just splashed. Merchandise all over the floor. The walls coming at you.
Refuge Tattoo and Taza Coffee, a unique combination tattoo and coffee shop, was preparing for a busy weekend of events, but the deep cold coming in being blamed for this. A burst pipe pouring 10 inches of water into the shop. The owners grateful they were there when it happened.
Thank God we were here. We were on it immediately.
But this setback doesn't spell defeat for the business. Monday, the comeback is already underway with the community at their back.
It's been amazing. The outpouring of love, the community, family, friends, everyone coming together to help us out.
You see, this business is a first of its kind. The idea born during COVID and taking years to launch along Pratt.
We just spoke it into existence and just brought, the first tattoo and coffee shop to Connecticut, which was also not an easy thing to do.
Their first year and a half open have been a dream, one Serrano and his family will fight for.
We felt like this was going to be home. We wanted to put our stuff here and build from here and see where it goes.
Because they're proud of the business and community that they've built, even if one requires a rebuild.
So it's just all about community.
Now, temporarily closed but not defeated. Now they are hopeful here on Pratt Street coming in April. They believe they'll have it open with plenty of time to spare, but they want to get open as soon as possible. We're live in Hartford tonight. Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News. Guys, back to you.